Hey guys, Tark with Cyclone FPV, and I'm getting ready to do an RMA, and believe it or not, of all the RMAs I do, I think this one is actually, it's legit, because I remember this drone actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and then I'll just drop my razor blade. So hold on, let me see if I can, I have no idea where it went. Now let me go get a razor knife. 1 second. Okay, so I'm going to open this up. Looks like it is a VTX table issue, and I'm going to go ahead and check that out. So here we go, and then I will show you the box if you get into it. Okay, so I'm going to just take this out of the box so we don't get any customer's information on the screen. All right, here we go. Ready? Boom, boom, and there we go. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, I think the only issue with this one is that the VTX table is not loaded. I'm going to check real quickly. So let's go ahead and plug this in. Then I'll show you guys how to do this if you ever have this problem as well. Okay. So let me go here. All right, and then let's go, let's share the screen, and then let's go to beta flight. You can see what I'm looking at, okay? So here's the screen, and this is from the old session we just got done doing on the petrol. Let's go ahead and connect to this one. Go to our ports, and we have our smart audio set for UART 3, but I believe that there is no settings here. That's right. Okay, so we need to go ahead and get the, now this is going to be the HGLRC, this is the forward VTX, but I don't know if they're providing the files for that. Let me see, because I have a file from HGLRC here, which is what I use. So let's go to the beta flight hex files, let's go to VTX instructions, go to HGLRC tables. Do I have the forward VTX? It's not the MTX. This is the forward VTX. I think it's this one here. Let me go ahead and select this one. I believe this is the VTX table that we need. So I'm going to go ahead and go into beta flight. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Let's go to beta flight. Let's go ahead and load from file. And we're going to use the forward, I think it's going to be this one. Okay. And I believe that should populate. Oh yeah, I changed the letters here. So let's just, oh, whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go up now, and I'm going to tell, so it doesn't interfere with our feed, I'm going to tell that we're going to do the racing channel, and we're going to do channel 8, let's say, and we're going to do 25 milliwatt, and let's just make sure that that works. And here's how we're going to test it, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and show you the screen here that we're going to use. So this will be our, I'll try to do the screens like this. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. And now I'm going to give power here. Okay, and hopefully this will not interfere. Yeah, it did. Hold on, it did interfere. Let me see if I can get this to not interfere. So hang tight a second. I'm going to do a scan here. Hopefully we'll be okay for it to not interfere. So let me just click save one more time. I want to make sure that it updates it properly. Okay, so we are on channel, let me cover this, 5925, and R8 would be 5917. So no, it may be interfering. Let me just make sure. Where do we have 59? Do we have a 59255? Right here. So that's going to be E. Let me go ahead and switch. Let me go scan again. What I'll do is to make sure that it's on the right thing, I'm going to go ahead and 5917, there it is. So 5917 would be, that would be it as well. So there we go. So we are on, it is working, and I can tell that I can show you that we're going to test this. It is not interfering, so that's how I know first we're going. So we are on the right, we are getting it on 5917, which is the channel that if I cover the lens, I can see that right here, okay? Which means that that's all connected properly. And if we wanted to test it, we could easily say, okay, let's go from channel 8 to channel 5. Hopefully that will not interfere. Channel 5 should be 5806. That's going to be close, but let's do it anyway. Channel E5 would be 5885. 5.85. Let's go 1. Let's go R1. Let's see if that does it. I'm going to do a save. We should see our screen go out. It did go out, so we know that that's working. Can't answer, guys, sorry. So let's see, everything's ringing right now, okay, and let me see, 5, 658, and right here, I don't know if you can see that, but that does say 5658. So that's working. That's all this thing needed. That's it. It's pretty simple. VTX tables are loaded now, so he's good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and just power this off. Unplug the USB. And there you go. Pretty simple. And believe it or not, that was on me. I did this repair. I fixed this for the gentleman. I sent it back, and I told him I would remote in to his quad to do it because I could have done this remotely, but his computer crashed. So needless to say, I take responsibility for this one. That is on me, guys. And Chris, I appreciate you being patient with me on this one. I'll get this back out to you today, brother. Everybody else, God bless. Be safe. If you would, please, where's that? There it is. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel below. We appreciate your support. Don't ask for any money or anything else. Just your subscription matters to me. And to my boys, y'all have a great day today. I miss y'all, and I'll see you tonight. Everybody else, God bless. Be safe. And don't forget to spend time with your family, guys. You never know how much time you have left. So go make the most of it. You can always follow later. Talk to you later, guys. Peace. Bye.